Hey, English learners. Welcome back to the Speak English Now podcast, your calm space to learn real, natural English through meaningful conversations. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. And today, we're starting with a question that sounds simple, but can quietly change your entire daily life.
Yes, because today's question is, would you rather work from home or work in an office?
So basically, comfort and pajamas, or structure and real human interaction.
What? That's a fair summary.
It is, but I feel like you're already choosing a side.
I'm not choosing. I'm just emotionally prepared for working in sweatpants.
Of course you are.
But honestly, this question is everywhere now.
Yes, especially in the last few years, people have started thinking differently about work.
Exactly. Some people discovered they love working from home.
Others realized they really miss the office. And some people are still trying to figure it out.
Yes, because this is not just about where you work. It's about how you live your day, how you focus, how you connect with people, and even how you feel about yourself.
That's very true. So today, we're going to explore both sides working from home and working in an office. The good parts, the difficult parts, and why this decision is not always as easy as it sounds.
And as always, we'll do this through clear, natural English that you can actually use in real life. This is a B1 to B2 level conversation, so don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just relax, listen, and let your English grow naturally.
And before we begin, we have a quick question for you.
Yes, we'd love to know. Would you rather work from home or work in an office? And why?
You can keep your answer simple, or share a short story from your own experience.
And remember, when you write your answer, you're not just practicing English, you're also understanding your own preferences better. And that's always a good place to start. So, Emma, let me ask you directly. Would you rather work from home or in an office?
Honestly, I feel a little torn.
That's a great word. Yes, if you feel torn, it means you find it difficult to choose between two options.
Exactly. Both sides are pulling you. And that's exactly how I feel. Part of me loves the comfort of home, and the other part misses the structure of an office.
That makes sense. I think a lot of people feel the same. Let's start with working from home.
Okay, the first word that comes to my mind is freedom.
Yes, freedom is a big one. When you work from home, you often have more control over your time.
You wake up, you start your day slowly, maybe with coffee, maybe still half asleep.
Exactly. And you don't have to commute.
Yes, commuting means traveling to work, often in traffic or on public transport. And removing that from your day can feel amazing.
It really can. You save time and energy. And sometimes, even your mood.
Very true.
But here's the thing. Freedom sounds great until you realize something.
Let me guess. If you have freedom, you also need discipline.
Exactly. Discipline means controlling yourself and staying focused, even when it's difficult.
And at home, distractions are everywhere. Your phone, your bed, your kitchen.
Suddenly, snacks become very important.
Extremely important. And sometimes, it's hard to separate work from personal life.
Yes, that's a big challenge. You finish work, but you're still in the same place, so your brain never fully relaxes. Now let's look at the office.
Okay. First word?
Structure.
Yes. Structure means having a clear system or routine. You go to work, you sit at your desk, you focus. Your environment tells your brain, this is work time.
Exactly. And there's also something else. People.
Yes. Human interaction. You can talk to colleagues, ask questions, share ideas. Even small conversations can make your day better.
Like talking about lunch for 20 minutes.
Very important discussions.
But of course, office life is not perfect.
No, it's not. There's less flexibility.
Yes, you have to follow a schedule. And sometimes, that schedule doesn't match your energy.
Like being productive at 9 a.m. when your brain is still sleeping.
Exactly. And then there's commuting again, which can be long, stressful, and tiring.
Especially every single day.
I think one of the biggest differences is emotional.
Yes, I agree. Working from home can feel peaceful, but sometimes also isolating.
That's a very important word. Yes, isolating means feeling alone in an uncomfortable way. Not peaceful alone, but lonely alone.
Exactly. And on the other hand, the office can feel social, but sometimes also overwhelming. Too many people, too much noise,
Too many meetings.
always too many meetings.
So maybe the real question is not which one is better. Maybe it's about balance.
Yes, some people work from home part-time and go to the office part-time. That way they get both benefits, freedom and structure, quiet and connection.
So, Alex, if you had to choose right now,
Honestly, I think I'd choose a mix.
same. Because life changes. Sometimes you need focus. Sometimes you need people. And sometimes you just need a quiet morning with coffee.
That sounds perfect.
And now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, would you rather work from home or work in an office? And why?
Keep your answer simple or share your experience. And if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with someone who is learning English too.
Keep listening, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Take care and keep growing your English one conversation at a time.